Hi, good morning. I found a Marathi PDF paper on ntexam.com. It's a PDF, sample PDF of a previous year NEET examination in Marathi language. I want to create an online quiz out of it so that I can distribute to my students. But since many of the applications are not compatible with the local languages, it becomes a big challenge for me. Also, it has many figures and mathematical expression, which makes the job even more tougher. So I found out a solution I'm going to share with you. It's very efficient, and I have been using it for some time, which is called PDFMock.com, which can convert any MCQ PDF question paper in whatsoever language into an online quiz within minutes. So without doing even cut paste or typing of content or inserting of images or expression. So if you are the first time user, you register yourself as a teacher, your organization name and address, your teach name as teacher, and your email ID, and you click on the plus button. You can add multiple teacher under the same organization, and once it's done, you click on the save button so that all the teachers under this organization will have an instant access. There is no waiting time or any other approval required, so it's very fast. Now since I already have an access, I click on the login button to reach the dashboard, where I have two sections: my test and my batch. In my batch, I manage the batches. Uh, I segregated in the student database into different batches. I can add a student in the existing database, or delete a student, or create a new batch by clicking here. In my test section, I create the test and manage the test. So let's start and show a demo how to create test. So I'm trying to upload the same file, Marathi file, which we were looking at earlier. And PDFs are great way to work with, because it keeps the formatting intact. But this is also a very stubborn format, in the sense that you cannot copy paste everything from it onto the back end of an application. So this is the paper we were talking about. And now, Mm, we'll go to the first question. This is the first question, and this is a single correct question. In this platform, you can also have multiple correct and fill in the blanks. All these three comprises of objective type questions, which can cater to assertion, reasoning, true, false, or data sufficiency also, which means all kind of objective type questions. Marking scheme is, for example, NEET examination, 4 marks for correct, -1 for incorrect, 0 for not attempted. You can also have decimal values here, so that mm, you can have a granular control on the marking scheme. You click on the add button. So you take the cursor crosshair to the first question, each of these options, and start making them interactive by putting a radio button in front of them. And suppose the second option is correct, you double click it and make it blue, and click on the save button. Similarly, go ahead and do the same activity for question number 2. um, and then suppose fourth option is correct, you do click on fourth option, make it blue, and save it. So you can see the first question and the second question done. So I'm not going to go ahead and do all of them, because this is very easy and repetitive process. You can do it even if you have 150 or 180 question. Hardly it will take 35 to 45 minutes to cover all them. And you click on the save test. Now you write the name, title of the test, and you can add a description as much as you want. You can write the duration. Suppose the duration is 180 minutes. Right now it's showing two questions and maximum marks 8, but you can go back and add uh, till all the questions are covered. It will not take much time. You can add the solution file as well here. Solution file will be view only to the students when they have taken the test, and so that they analyze the result and explanation of each of these questions answers. And you click on the save button. After saving it, you are redirected back to the dashboard, where you are going to schedule the test. So right now it's 2 question and 8 marks. You can go ahead and edit the details, go back to the control panel, and add the rest of the questions. You can delete this, you can share it amongst your colleagues who are already present in pdfmock.com by searching them through the email, so that they do not have to make it. This test will appear on their dashboard. And now I'm going to schedule it. There are two options: close-ended and open-ended. Close-ended means a particular date and time where you want to conduct the examination, and you can manage the result publishing date also. When do you want to publish the result? Open-ended means any starting time is there but no ending time. You can add the internal database students. You can, if you wish, you can allow the external students as well, so that it captures the database of the external student who are not present in your internal database, and they can take the test. And I schedule it. Once I schedule it, the test is done and ready to be shared. And I go ahead and I can edit the schedule or stop the schedule, this current schedule, or and I can copy it and send it on my WhatsApp groups or Telegram channel or through the mail. It's very easy. So I have been using this tool for quite some time. It has really saved hundreds of hours in creating online quizzes, and this is very easy. Student can go and take the test on a mobile or desktop or laptop. It's very easy for them also. The analytics is really great, so try it out. And if you have any feedback, do share with us. Thank you.